Hey there, friends. It's time to go get your land. So, if you are a citizen, you have all of your parts, you're going to go to this tweet here on Neo Tokyo 1 News. It's going to take you to this spreadsheet. So, once you get in here, you're going to see a leaderboard spot. So, you need to find your vault box. You're going to hit Control F, bring up the search. I'm vault box 624. So, let's search for that. And it's going to show me that's leader spot 624, not me. 1624, not me. 1624, not me again. Oh, it's 624, so I'm spot 1731. So once you have that information, you can see these different tabs. This one's 1025 to 2048. So I'm going to go there, and I'm going to look for 1731 in the spot in the leaderboard. Take a note, you got your vault and your spot in the whitelist here. So 1731. Alright, I found my spot here. So my vault, my spot in the whitelist, and my proof here. So let's save that. Let's go to the contract. You can find this contract. I believe it was posted publicly by Becker in a tweet. So you find that, you go to Rent Contract, connect your wallet. Go to option number 4 is Land Claim. Once you have that, you're going to get your vault number, your spot in the whitelist. Let's start with spot in the whitelist. That's 863. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to spot in whitelist, put in 863. I'm going to check proof number, copy everything within the brackets. So, not letting me at the moment, but you can copy the whole field, bring it in. I've heard that you can use both with and without brackets. I personally take the brackets off each time I do it. So, do that. Gonna check spot on the leaderboard. If you remember what that is, you find it here. Put that there. You're gonna put in your token ID for your vault, your token ID for your identity, your token ID for your cash, and then once you have all of that filled out, you're gonna click right. It's gonna pop up in MetaMask, charge you your gas fee, and then once that's done, you can wait a couple of minutes. And it will show up in MetaMask. Not MetaMask. You wait a couple of minutes, and it will show up in OpenSea. So, that is how you mint your land. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. Thank you.